Yeah, well done. Thank you. Thank you. Space, please. Space. Come that way. Let's go. Oh yeah, now. Come with me. Thank you.
Good morning.
Well, we are comfortable with the bail conditions, and we are hopeful that within a reasonable time we'll fulfill those bail conditions, and the defendant will be released and prepare for their defense. Yes. Well, on the issue of self-recognizance, it's actually in respect of the first defendant. Well, we are not disappointed about that. Issues of bail is entirely at the discretion of the court, and the court, based on the affidavit evidence before it, rightly held that it is satisfied that the defendant, particularly the first defendant, will not in any way interfere with the prosecution witnesses, and he will make himself available for trial. So the court, having given those conditions, it's entirely at the discretion of the court. So we are okay with it, and we hope to meet the conditions. It is left to the judge. I don't know what has transpired. We as lawyers have simply just presented our case, argued our case, and the court, in its wisdom, have delivered a considered ruling. So, of course, the judge has the right to say what he said, based on whatever may have, or whatever he may have experienced. But on our own part, we have simply just done our case.
Morning. How are you?
Let me just tell you one thing. When I come back, Oga don't come. Yes, last time.